Start by drawing one simple circle. This will be your base shape for the eye. Now draw 2 guideline lines across the circle, one vertical and one horizontal, creating a clean cross. The cross helps you keep the eye centered. Use the horizontal line to mark the top and bottom eyelids. Draw a soft curved line above the horizontal guideline and another curve below it, forming the eye shape. Inside the eye, follow the center of the cross to place the iris and the pupil perfectly. Add a small highlight in the pupil and shade lightly to give depth and life.